What the LLMs were really designed to do was to convert language, human language, into its semantic meaning mathematically, right? Instead, what people are doing is they're thinking, how do we turn them into a librarian, right? Can we bolt them onto your library, right? Like a data warehouse, like a data estate, like all sorts of other things, and then allow it to go and grab that information. Now, this idea, it's got a name. You've again probably heard Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, right? You'll hear that a lot. It's getting built into a whole bunch of apps. There's all sorts of web apps now which are really trying to focus on this. But there's a bit of a catch, right? You might think, oh yeah, this is like asking the LLM to go and write a query. Like the guys at Snowflake have written some amazing articles about how much work they're doing into text-to-SQL and how hard that problem
really is. Yeah,
it's really, really hard, and it's hard for basically this reason, right? You're actually making an assumption. So what a vector database does is it actually requires you to use the same map. If I could give it that phrase, use the same map as the map for the sum totality of human knowledge that the LLM was trained on, right? And if what you do is you encode, which is really what that embedding is doing, it's converting your data or your document, whatever your knowledge is, it's converting it into the same big long string of numbers. It's like hundreds of dimensional number space, right? If you do that, then what it can kind of do is it can treat your information like it's an extension of the map. And it can do so with quite a high degree of reasonable response. They talk about things like, approximate nearest neighbor is one of the terms that you'll see.